Brown, brown, brown. Final update of the storm of the century. What's up, everybody? This is Brooklyn Prepper. We have made it. If you notice, I have goggles on my head now, so I could look like I'm more in a storm. So I can look more stormish. Give it that stormish look with the goggles. But anyway, the storm of the century is here, and it's just about winding down. It's I don't know what time it is, but it's the morning time. All right, bow, bow, bow. Morning report. Bow, bow, bow. All right, so this is what we got. Let me show you guys what we got for the storm of the century. Hold on. There we go. We got about 10 inches of century storm. Yeah, this is what it looks like in Brooklyn right now. You're not allowed to drive. You're not allowed to drive, but you're allowed to walk. I don't know if they lifted that ban yet. There's a street light that's green in the storm of the century again. There's another pedestrian walking. Must have been hard for her to survive. Well, there you have it. Brooklyn Prepper signing off. I hope you enjoyed my storm watch. But this is what we got. We got about 10 inches of snow. I'd say about 10 inches. About 10, maybe. You know, I'll give it to the fairmongers. I'll say 12, all right? Including the goggles, it makes it a little bit more stormish. All right, guys, so here we go. This is what we got. This was the storm of the century so far. To me, I'm just kind of disappointed, right? I thought it was going to be something a lot funner, you know, more like a century storm. But anyway, it turned out to be like a snowstorm. Okay? Brooklyn Prepper signing out, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Boom, boom, boom.